Good morning, everybody. Lone Wolf Rick here. And it's a few minutes before 9 a.m. here on the Riverwalk in Laughlin, Nevada. I'm in Laughlin for the next couple, 3 days. Just taking it easy. But right now I'm sitting in this little gazebo thing outside of the Pioneer Hotel and Casino. This is where I'm staying at. I've already posted a video of the room that I got. Hopefully you'll check that out. There goes a jet taking off from over there at Bullhead City, just on the other side of the road over there. You're looking at the Colorado River. I don't know if you saw the football games over the weekend, but they're already getting snow in Colorado, which is, believe it or not, good news for here, as it helps fill the river up, and the river runs into Lake Mead. So, but this is my view from outside the hotel right here. They have this little platform right here. They have a water taxi that takes you back and forth from, like say that point right here outside of the Pioneer Hotel. It's like over to the other side. So you go over to Bullhead City and do some shopping if you like. And you know what? It's like, we'll just do a little walk here. Right now here, it's Laughlin, it's 56 degrees. But they're looking for a high of like 82 today. So it's gonna get warm. Be a nice day. Right now it's a beautiful morning. It's been windy in Vegas, and then when I got here it's been windy. It's like all week, but right now it's pretty calm and pretty nice. Hear the birds chirping in the trees, and just I think it's going to be a nice day today. See the wishing well here. They've got those scattered all over the place here and along the Riverwalk here. This property right next to the Pioneer is the Golden Nugget. Love those old sides. Bubba Gump Shrimp Company here. Nice menu. I guess the wildlife would include. It's like I did a little 15 cent or 15 second short yesterday when I got here. Saw a raccoon. I saw the raccoon. The raccoon saw me. The raccoon waited for me to run, and I didn't run. So the raccoon decided to run, and he ran away from me. There's the water taxi right there. Let's see if we can catch it here in this little opening as it goes by. It'll take you to whatever property it's like you want to go to, wherever you're staying at. Or if you're just down here for a day visit, whatever property you want to go to. I think it's like $5 a person. Or, you know what? I think you just ride it. But can you believe how quiet this is? I mean, besides me babbling on. There's a gazebo I was sitting in. See their version here at the Pioneer of Vegas Vic. I guess he'd be Laughlin Vic, huh? It says that's a for-use gazebo. That bird there just taking it easy, chilling. It says special functions available there. There we go. There's a sign. $5 for the taxi. Just go down there. You wait, and if he sees people at any of these spots here and outside the hotel, he'll stop and for that $5 pick you up. Had a nice, comfortable sleep last night. It's just nice to get away sometimes, you know. The bed was comfortable. The shower was hot. Nice, quiet room. It's just so quiet, nice and peaceful. All right, everybody, I think that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate you joining me today. I have a busy day planned. Doing some videos, making some content. I'm Lone Wolf Rick. Thank you very much for joining me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Everybody, please hit that thumbs up. Helps our videos out, helps keep them visible. And I will see everybody in the next video. Hey, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.